we are here live on the CES2023 in Las Vegas, presenting our new HOLON autonomous mover.
3, 2, 1.
We are here in Las Vegas at the CES at the world premiere of HOLON. This is quite an important milestone for HOLON and the HOLON team, but as well for BENTELER, as our vision is to make future mobility safer, lighter and more sustainable.
We have to remember that always that design follows function. This design is the result of so many functions that are combined into this unique vehicle.
It's really our pleasure to work with BENTELER and the new subsidiary HOLON to equip this beautiful shuttle.
We will provide a reliable, inclusive mobility solution which makes transportation available for everyone.
It's a very exciting day for us to finally see the fruits of our labor with all the collaboration that we've done with HOLON. Just the excitement of seeing the birth of the brand, and more importantly, just the unveiling of such a spectacular vehicle.
Autonomes Fahren löst die Probleme, die wir heute nur noch ganz schwer in den Griff kriegen. Ich bin stolz darauf, dass Deutschland hier präsent ist und wir mit unserer modernen Technologie auch weltweit Aufsehen erregen.
Our mover, made at automotive grade, hits the sweet spot of autonomous driving in the market. We are happy to head for and start of production in 2025 here in the US. I would say, the next milestone in autonomous driving here in the US market.